Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for coming back to my channel. This is BB Style and my name is Christian. Well, anyway, let's get into this video. Now, this is a luxury haul. You know, I love luxury items. No, I'm not going to say that. I like luxury items. And I went shopping and I picked up some things from Chanel. And I picked up something else from Gucci. So let's get into this video. First of all, I want to talk about the Chanel products. Now, I have here some Chanel lipstick. It's number 436. And I have used it. And I have to say, this is really, really good lipstick. It's so nice. It's so smooth. And it lasts for a very long time. So that I had to pick up more. And the Chanel mascara as well, very good. This one is still good, and it makes my lashes real long as well. So I just want to mention that these products are really, really good. And you can get them for a good price as well. Not expensive. I'm really guys, this makeup is not too expensive. If you go to a drugstore or something like that, mostly you're going to pay about the same price, a little bit more for Chanel. But hey, sometimes in the drugstore makeup costs like $24 and $18, $19. Come on, get real. So let's move on, okay? So let's do the first unboxing here and what I picked up here from Chanel. And as you can see, I really have the bug of Chanel. I like Chanel. You know, her products and everything is so nice. So let's see what I picked up, okay? You know, think about it. You know, I mean, you know, shop some items to pick up luxury items and makeup and stuff like that when you go shopping in the mall. Just to go and see, you know, just check it out, okay? So let's see what I picked up as well. Let's see, let's put this over here. So let's see what I have here. Her makeup line. And first thing I picked up here is some Chanel foundation. Now, I have to do a shout out for Foteini. I linked her channel below. She does reviews on luxury makeup lines, you know, designer makeup lines. So check out her channel. Hi, Foteini. But anyway, let's get back into the video. Chanel foundation. And I have not tried it, and this is the full coverage foundation, and I'm not for sure what number it is because I can't see it right now, but anyway, this is the foundation, and I will let you guys know how this worked when I use it, okay? So the next thing I picked up was the Chanel Healthy Glow Sheer Powder, which is a bronzer powder as well. And the bronzer powder, I needed to pick up some bronzer, so I just picked up some Chanel bronzer, which is kind of like a brown bronzer here. It's Chanel. And I like the casing as well. And I will let you all know how the bronzer works as well when I wear the makeup, okay? But anyway, this is what I picked up. The bronzer as well, and it comes in the little Chanel pouch as well. So, and a brush here as well. So, let's move on to the next thing I picked up, because I want to get into the other thing. Now, okay, excuse me. Now, this is my Chanel lipstick. This is 436. The same one I just showed you all. The same one I just showed you all that is almost gone, and I purchased it again because I really, really like it. And when you go shopping in Nordstrom's or Saks or, you know, high-end store, you know, check out Chanel makeup. You know, her makeup line is really, really nice. So I have more lipstick, and I brought another lipstick as well. And here is the second one here, and this is, I'm not for sure. Let me see if I can get this open. Okay. So the next lipstick here, I got it open. So the next lipstick here is a 142, and it is like a pink lipstick here, like really pink, really pretty rouge. I like a purple type of color. I'll show you guys when I wear it. But anyway, this is really, really nice too as well. So let me show you what else I picked up. And I also got some free things as well. And I have the Chanel Lash Primer here, which I got free. And I have another mascara free sample here. And I have the lotion of Chanel free sample here as well. And so this is what I picked up from the Chanel makeup line as well. And I'm really, really looking forward to wearing or using that foundation. So I'm real happy about that as well. So the next thing here that I picked up from Chanel, this unboxing. Now let's see, okay? Because I'm like really, really happy about this as well. So here you have some dust bags of Chanel as well. And I picked up, you just believe you guys, I picked up combat boots. Combat boots. Now, I went in the store and I seen these combat boots. And as you can see in the picture, those combat boots were sold out, the ones with the CC logo on the side. Now these ones here are the lace-up combat boots, and they have the CC logo down at the bottom here, and they have the CC logo all on the lace-up here. And the leather is really, really nice on these boots, and they're sturdy, and they're really, really nice. As you can see how I'm styling them, just a little try on for you guys out there. And they're really, really nice boots. These boots were not on sale. They were very expensive, over $1,000, almost $2,000. And the thing is that these shoes of Chanel will last me for a very, very long time. And luxury shoes, high-end designer shoes will not lose their value. It all depends. Chanel shoes will not lose their value. Now, if I were to wear these shoes 3 or 4 times, I will get a good price for these Chanel lace-up boots if I were to sell them. Okay, so they're very, very nice, and I'm also looking forward to purchasing the ones that you've seen in the picture there that were sold out. So comment below on my new combat boots, and I will style these boots for you guys as well in another video. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's move on to see what else I picked up as well. And as you know, I picked up Gucci. Okay, I guess I'm getting a bug for Gucci too as well. Okay. But anyway, let me just mention, if you all out there did not know this, luxury items, I just want to share this with y'all. Luxury items of high-end designers, the things that sell for them mostly is handbags, jewelry, and shoes, because they hold their value. Now, if you were to buy, like I would buy a designer piece. As a matter of fact, I have a Helmut Lane silver metallic jacket that I purchased that I need to show you guys as well. Hold on, I'll be right back, okay? I am back, and here is the Helmut Lane silver metallic jacket that I picked up from Nordstrom's, and it does come with pants as well, and the pants online are going for like $400 to $500 as well. And you know I love to wear silver metallic and gold metallic as well. And this jacket originally price on this was $998, and I purchased it for half price. Now that's a little steep for this metallic jacket, but it's good quality material. I know it will last me for a very, very long time. I know I could have went and purchased something else, but this jacket I'm really, really liking. It will last me for a very, very long time. So let's get into the rest of the haul as well. So Gucci. Okay. Now let me show you what I picked up from Gucci. As you see in the picture, I already have the Gucci Muse LA. I showed that in a luxury haul. Go back and check out that video. So when I went in the store in Nordstrom's, not the Nordstrom Drive, and I seen these Muse. Now these Gucci Muse here are black with the Gucci logo here, and logo on the back, and logo here. And the Chanel Muse that I wanted a year and a half ago sold out, that you see in the picture there. I received these, so I just picked these up because the logo sells. Now these shoes hold their value as well. So they're very, very comfortable as well. Let me just pour the other one out as well. So I'm still looking to purchase the Chanel Muse as well, with the CC logo. Online, they're really expensive. I seen some that were going for like $1,000 as well, but not brand new, but for $1,000. I'm not gonna buy, you know, I can buy a pair of shoes for $1,000. I'm so grateful. Got Gucci Muse here, and the other ones that I have, I'm real happy about that I'm wearing during the summer as well. So comment below on these Gucci Muse here, okay? Gucci Muse. All right. Okay, they're really, really nice, guys. I'm just real happy and grateful I can have these items as well. So that is what I picked up. So comment below, you know, on these Gucci Muse. And when you go shopping, you know, go in, you know, if you like a designer and you want to start purchasing some of his pieces or her pieces, you know, go and see if you can get a good deal on designer pieces, you know. They are out there as well, you know. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my new Chanel combat boots as well. Comment below. Hopefully I'll be styling these for you guys. So comment below. Anyway, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, if you like my type of content and you would like to see more, hit that bell button down below and come follow me over on Instagram. And everyone, have a wonderful day as well as a wonderful week. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.